Dzień dobry.
Look at this view!
Wow.
That's the view of the Tatra mountains in the background.
Wow.
Beautiful!
Amazing blue sky.
It was foggy, now it's just the sun come up. 10 o'clock and we are heading to Zakopane and Tatra mountains. And then we're going through Slovakia to Budapest. But it's so beautiful, isn't it?
Poland, you have such a beautiful nature.
Right, that's the
No?
thing. That's the thing. Last time I was filming mountains and such a views in Canada, but look at this one, it's also beautiful. And the atrium with this golden leaves, it's giving the character only to this view, right?
So nice.
So nice. Nice road, by the way, as well.
Yes. Wow.
So cool.
Oh, look at the colors of the tree, kochanie.
Yeah?
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Isn't that something totally different, yeah?
Yes.
And behind the corner, look at the view. I think so. It will be nice.
Oh, beautiful. Wow.
Last time I see the views like this one, it was last year in Banff, Canada.
So, I don't need to go to Canada to see something.
Technically,
Because everything is here in Poland. You've got a Baltic Sea, you've got a beautiful Tatra mountains.
There are also
Wow.
Alps in Europe, so basically I need to go to Canada to see the mountains.
Oh, look at this autumn. Oh, look at the color of the tree. Kochanie, look at the color of the trees.
Ah,
Oh, mixed gold, green. It's so calm. And the traffic jam as well. No traffic jam. Look at this one. So pretty. Wow. Wow. Look at the road trip. Ooh, wow. Wow.
wow!
Kochanie. Wow.
That's the high Tatra mountains already in the
Beautiful.
background. And then we are entering the tunnel.
We're going to the tunnel
Ah,
under the hill.
ah.
Oh.
I believe this is famous tunnel.
So,
I believe this is famous tunnel.
tunnel Marileha. Wow, so bright here.
Yes.
How long?
So bright, yeah? I don't know how long, actually, but it's so bright.
Nice. Nice. Look at the road. Look at the Tatra mountain. This is Alpine tribe. Alps mountain.
No, the Tatra mountain.
Tatra mountain. Oh, beautiful.
So,
Oh my god, this is like heaven. Right. Wow. Beautiful. that's the train as well. I saw.
Train as well.
Tak.
So nice.
I think that you can also go here by train. Tak.
I think so.
Nice. Oh, look at the
Totally
blue
different
sky.
architecture, totally different vibe already in the mountains.
So there's no sledgy.
It's like boutique hotels, but traditional. As you can stay there, you know. A lot of attractions seems like here in the mountains. And the mountains view in the background.
Noche Lake. Just like a boutique hotel, tak?
Yeah.
And I'll show you the mountain view. Beautiful. Oh, look at this, the mountain house. Horses, cows. Oh, look at this. Oh la la. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at the color of the trees. Oh my goodness. This is like a dream place.
Nice, isn't
It's
it?
beautiful. There's Tatra Mountain in the front.
Tak.
So if you're coming from Krakow, thinking to take a public transportation, this one is the train, right?
Yeah, he actually just moving. Nice shot.
Yes.
Very rare.
Ooh.
And the river is on the other side. So
Look, I see. Oh yes, that's the river.
nice bridge.
Edge.
Roundabout.
Roundabout, and then
Nice.
oh wow.
Czarny Dunajec. Zakopane.
Zakopane. Nice. I just show you the Noche Lodge.
Not really.
Oh, Noche Lake, tak. Like typical of the mountain house. Look like Mama house in Ibawata, kochanie.
Tak, because my mama house, my papa built. They took the architect from this area. Actually, they wanted to have a house what is similar.
Look, pine trees like this one. Ah, nice. Oh la la. Look at this.
It's pretty high mountain, no?
Very high. And look at the lies, the mountain lies from so long line. You know? And look at this. Wow. Kohani, look that one. Ah, this one, the billboard. Oh, Kohani, look at that on the top. Seems like skiing. That?
Yeah. Whenever you wanna come to learn how to ski, we can come here to Poland as the beginning.
Ah.
Nice.
See, the house types is totally different. It's iconic.
Now you can see on the other side.
Yes,
The
so
ski.
pretty. Oh, it's just pretty.
Also seems like Zakopane registration is KTT.
Habibi, come to Zakopane. Nice advertisement.
Actually, I read somewhere, I watched on internet somewhere, is the a lot of people from Middle East coming to Zakopane nowadays and to Poland. So that's interesting. Money, money, money.
Okay, you said that off season, Kohani.
Yeah, I just
Look.
explained to Winnie it's off season, so will be everything quiet, but still busy. Quiet, but still some people coming.
Yes.
But it's off season, yeah. It's not winter yet. It's not summer holidays. So
But autumn also nice, you know, with the different colors.
there's
You know?
always somebody gonna be here.
Yeah.
It's open 365 years.
Wow.
Look at that. That's the one of the most epic roundabout views.
Oh, morskie oko.
Yeah, Morskie Oko area
God.
and border with Slovakia.
Wow.
So,
Oh my goodness.
So nice, isn't it?
Right. Oh wow. Beautiful. So beautiful, really. Nice. Oh wow. It's beautiful. Wow. Nice.
Look at the mountain from my side.
Yeah, that's Tatra Mountain, huh? Wow.
Tatra Mountains.
Oh, wow. It's amazing to see.
We actually going to cross the border between Poland and Slovakia
Mm-hmm.
very, very soon.
Okay.
The border is actually going through the river.
Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, look at the river.
Ooh, nice river.
Nice.
Actually, very nice. That's actually the border.
Welcome to.
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh,
But soon. Behind the river.
tak.
Behind the river.
Oh, granica państwa.
So we're gonna cross the
The border.
roundabout. Roundabout. There you go to
Morskie
Morskie
Oko, but we
Oko.
don't go today.
And then we are going to Slovakia. Crossing the
Oh.
border. This is the border through the river.
Oh.
And then you see Slovensko.
Slovakia. Welcome to.
Slovakia.
Okay.
The new country on your list, sayang.
Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-tam.
And I didn't been in Slovakia either.
So.
So yeah, just remember to have to buy vignette for the highway.
Okay. Oh, look
Okay.
at this.
And we used to go actually on the side of the road. There's like a river. Okay. Yeah, it's Slovakia.
Wow. Don't you think this is so beautiful?
I think so.
Wow.
So this mountain is actually in Tatra Mountains on Slovakian side. Isn't that beautiful actually?
Tak. Wow.
So nice. Hope you guys guys like the road trips, because it's gonna be for a while, the road trip. Pivo, of course. Slovakia and Czech Republic famous for pivo. And Poland. So that's the Slovakian flag.
Look at the architecture of
It's
the
different
house.
also than in Zakopane and in Poland, right? So you see, you cross the border on a few kilometers, but it's different country, and you already have a different architecture, even if they are the same mountains.
Yes. You see, different. Look, Hanya, on the right side is
Stream?
actually the river, the stream one. I believe that long time ago it was a volcanic, right?
I believe so. And most of the mountains.
Tatranskaya.
Yavorina. And by the way, this is the road 66, but not the road 66 what you have in United States. But this is road 66 through the mountains in Slovakia. And that's gonna be some nice road just behind. This is like a old road, but I see something like renovated, the new one.
Wow.
Nice.
You know, like in the view like this, the green, gold color, red, it's just amazing.
And look at this road, it's also nice.
Right. Wow.
This one must be recently refurbished.
They just simply like, wow. I open my window and I'll show it to you. Wow. What a nice view. Oh, that's the river.
Yeah, I think so. Slightly better quality.
I mean the asphalt quality. Yeah.
Let's see the highways.
Tak.
Oh, then look at the mountain on the top.
Slow down. You see, like the asphalt is
first of all, you will drive slower. And second of all, in most of these roads, you need to have a chains on the wheels. So many people going also here for skiing, you know.
Tak. Yeah. You see, yeah, I can see that the road quality in Poland is better lah. Wow. The view is wow.
Nice. That's already lower mountains. Yeah, plenty of trails for the skiing down there.
Yeah, I see. Oh.
This one must be nice for skiing, yeah?
Tak.
And this is like a simple, like good for you to learn how to ski because you don't know how to ski, right?
Oh.
So maybe we can come here during the winter actually because it's not that high. Strednica. That's the name. Might be also good price. Should come here during the winter definitely.
Oh, look at this.
Nice, we can stay somewhere there.
Oh, there's also skiing place.
Everywhere is the skiing place and the skiing, not slaggy.
Not slaggy, tak.
Yeah, but it's Slovakian side.
Okay. Wow.
Nice. During winter is also nice. Nice village.
Nice. Really nice. Pension picnic. It's just amazing.
Machladowa dolina.
Just like a different type of the house. The same made of wood, but the design.
Same but different.
Yes. Oh, look at this. It's like, what is it? The Polish border and the one that we check border, no?
Czech border, yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Pension.
Pension.
You see, like here is pension. It's not slaggy, but pension. Sounds, by the way, very French, Italian, Spanish, or something like that. That is called pension. And that sounds Polish actually already.
Yeah.
Because Polish and Slovakian language are very similar actually. Polish Slovakian and Polish Czech are very similar. So if, let's say on the gas station the lady or guy don't speak English, we should communicate without big problems and mix Polish, mix Slovakian.
Rozumiem. Dolina, ja. Rozumiem. Look at this one. Onto the river on the right. Pension Kantor. Ski resort.
Yeah, many ski resorts.
If you see on the top, it's just like a golden tree. Look. Oh. This one. So many places, I think.
Yeah, like pension city, something like maybe Zakopane style.
Yes, true. Yeah.
But in Slovakia, I believe because they have more mountains, because half of the country there are mountains actually. For them, winter is busy, but during the summer it's not as that.
Look at on the right. So pretty. Wow. Look at this. We are in Slovakia, tak? This is like different landscape, no?
Different landscape,
And the left is the train.
but I have to say this one is different landscape.
2. In 4 hours we will arrive.
It feels so empty, no?
Tak.
Different.
Just different landscape. Look at the trees. Whenever I see a golden tree like this, my eyes just like a golden coin.
But that's just the leaves. You cannot exchange this for the gold. Look at the space.
Sun.
Nice. Something different.
Oh, this one is the Slovakian
Little city, little town.
city. Tak. Yeah, and I think that there are so many hotel, restaurant here. You see, like, yeah, interesting, really interesting. Oh yeah, moja istota, moja
This is-
mai, something.
Something. It's similar.
Yes. Yeah. Look, this one is the. I think that.
Must be a
Posta.
church.
Yeah.
Posta. You see the different similarity, yeah?
Yes. This is the. I don't know what's the area.
Some cities, 6 kilometers to Poprad. Whatever
nice.
Poprad is.
Oh.
It's the city. That's the
Why
name.
why the rail station didn't have the light? It's so wild here, huh? Look, this is a tiny Topai.
Yeah.
Tak?
Train, yeah.
Why they just like...
And why the kids working on the highway?
Nie wiem.
I'm gonna tell you, Slovakia, I thought it's similar like Poland, but it's different.
No, Poland is way more advanced.
Yeah.
Really.
And Hanover Stefanitopa is coming.
Tak.
But only one. So wide.
Oh, look at the mountain view. You see? Student photo.
Oh, so we are on the other side of the Tatra mountains actually.
Yes.
From opposite way completely.
Yeah.
It's a nice view.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Interesting, eh?
It is actually interesting, very interesting.
Slovakia. Look, you see the between the railway, they didn't have the sign. What kind of petrol station level that?
Yeah, I will buy vignette. Oh, this one is so small.
Huh?
But I will try to buy vignette. If not, I will buy online.
Dzień dobry from Slovakia. Okay, so Damian stopped for the buying the sticker, something like that. So I think that wherever you go to the countries in European Union, you need to put the sticker on your car as the sign that like bordering something. So my first impression is that this is the area that close to the Tatra mountain. As you see behind me, the beautiful Tatra mountain, and here is the petrol station. Orlen is still the best. Yes, it's quite warm though. Oh. Traffic jam starting on this side. Yes, this is the landscape. Okay, that's it. And okay, so now we are in the highway or toll road of the Slovakian country, tak?
In Slovakia.
What sort of sound is
I
this?
don't know, they have some sounds
Of the road,
when
maybe,
you
yeah?
go in the corner. Strange, but this is because of anti-slip. And we are hitting the Hungary and Budapest. So the funny thing is the Tatra mountains is behind us, and I don't know what's that mountains in the front of us. Oh, you see the sun is gone.
I think that's coming from the road. Just don't to make it slippery, probably.
Yeah. So that's the different mountains. That's not the Tatra mountains anymore. Like I said, plenty of mountains in this part of Europe.
Yes.
And nice landscapes actually. I like it. Nice. Something there. We are heading into direction of Košice, and then we're gonna go to, you can see the map
Tak.
like this one. Here we go. So we are crossing the Slovakia, Košice, and then we're going to Hungary.
This is the view. Okay.
Nice. Some church in the background, some farms, woods. Nice, so enjoyable. And the sunset time, cold hour. So beautiful.
Yes. driving across Europe, especially Central Europe area, is so enjoyable.
It's just enjoyable. The difference is between, because last week I was going from Paris through Düsseldorf to Poland, to Poznan, and past months I used to drive a lot in Germany, Belgium, Holland, and France, as opposed to Paris. But that roads are more boring to compare to these ones because of the landscapes. Then the nice landscape starting in south of France, Spain, but Central Europe like Poland, Slovakia, then Hungary, Austria, Czech Republic, the landscapes like this one, more mountainous, more different, you know.
Yeah.
And Slovakia is also very underrated country. Not many people going here. Everybody going to Prague in Czech Republic. And if people fly going to Budapest, they usually fly. So I treat this trip more as the road trip rather than just going to Budapest. Budapest is just nice direction and opportunity to see something different.
Right.
Nice landscape on the sides.
Oh, that's the little deers.
Deers?
Okay, so now we are going into the tunnel, right?
Yes.
Let's see how it looks. Tunnel. Oh, so bright.
Nice.
Nice. And road trip.
It's really nice road trip, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sarah, do you like road trips nowadays?
This is like a watching a Top Gear, tak? Your favorite show
In real life, huh?
in real life, you know?
Just without the dirty people behind you. As
You
the
know,
crew.
we just record how it is using our gear.
And that's it.
Oh wow. Right, so we keep driving and driving. So to jest?
Co to jest? Something like castle on the top of the hill.
I can see that. Yeah. Yes, look like castle. That castle on the trip. You look so chill, Kanye.
Me? I am chill.
Yeah. Port Hardy. Yeah, babe. Yes, it's just like castle. We turn right.
No, there is just
Off.
road construction.
Okay. Interesting. Seems like that's the church. Okay, so they didn't have a speed limit here. I mean, like speed cameras they didn't have.
In Poland, in highways, there's also not speed cameras.
Oh,
Probably the cars only going with police. And that's the castle on the top.
yeah. Yes, this is the castle.
That's something what I didn't know even about existence. I didn't Google about this one, but looks cool. I need to Google now about this one.
And then look at this one. Yeah, that's castle on the top. Wow.
really beautiful, isn't it? Actually, the fall is really nice time to travel like this one.
Look. You see? See the color? It's amazing. I think that I should upgrade my phone camera.
Yeah, we have to upgrade for better quality videos in the future, huh?
Yeah.
Looking for sponsors, guys, for our YouTube channel. More trips, better content, better quality. That's what we can offer.
Wow.
There will be another tunnel, by the way.
Right. Wow. Just simply wow.
Yeah, it's really nice, and the colors and everything, and the weather, golden hour behind us.
Oh my god, this is
It's just
amazing.
everything is just perfect.
Look at that. Oh, that's the ship on the top, the white dot. Maybe you cannot see that.
Sheep.
Yeah, the ship. Back. Another tunnel. Yeah, you see. Oh, wow. Oh, tunnel here is so busy, huh?
Yeah,
Because small road, I think.
I think so.
Look at the road. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Now I can see a better road. Oh. Wow. Look at the color of the trees. So enjoyable. I really enjoy my road trip. Another tunnel gonna be. So many tunnel.
The third tunnel already.
Look. Yeah. It's already sunset time. We're still driving. Nice. Okay, so now we are around the city here, right?
City of Košice or Kosice, I don't know how exactly pronounce it, but Košice.
Look, and look at. Also, they have a blocks on the top. Right.
Correct.
And here how it looks. The situation already. Letisko. Lotnisko.
Yeah,
In Polish Lotnisko. Here Letisko.
I think it's very similar language. Very similar language.
Oh. Yes. Look at the sunset in the front. Like the pink sky. Oh, nice. Yeah, you see? Oh, nice color. Yesterday I was in Krakow for the sunset. Now I'm already in Slovak.
Yeah. You see how quickly you can change?
How
Here.
quick it change country. But look at this. I think that this one is already the city center. Stare Mesto. Ah, in Poland they have a Stare Miasto.
Tak.
Ah,
Similar,
see?
isn't it?
Same, different. Tak. Oh, I think that the river is on the left.
Tak, there is the river actually, yeah, indeed.
Yes.
Michałowce, Prestov.
Tak.
We're gonna cross the bridge actually right
Uh-huh.
now. Maybe you can see the river a little bit. It will be lovely.
Yes.
Yeah, it's small river. But
Yeah. You see the background? That's it.
actually we're gonna cross the border with the Hungary very, very soon.
Okay. So here is the area actually in
Still
the
Slovakia.
still Slovakia.
Area of Košice city.
Right. This one. Okay.
I mean, maybe that's soon. I said like not like literally just now, but
Yes.
we are pretty close. On the map somewhere I saw it.
Yes.
And also sa Panitopay.
Huh?
Some train.
Ah, the tram there, huh? Yes. Okay,
They
just
have a
little
trams.
bit. Ah, this is the tram situation, Doug. Haha. And this is how the traffic situation, the road. Yeah.
Construction of the factory of Volvo, but look at this.
So huge. And the mountain as the background. There's no light here?
No, we are going to the road to the Hungary actually.
Or the border between Hungary?
Yeah, but it's on the small road. I thought it's gonna be highway, but it's actually small road.
Okay. So we arrived in the border of Hungary.
Yeah, here is the sign.
Tak, babe, that's vignette, no?
Yeah,
Vignette.
I know, but this is like a tourist trap.
Huh?
Tourist trap.
Trap?
Yeah, like they try to scam you. This is the speed
Oh.
limit, 130.
Uh-huh.
And then we're gonna buy the vignette on the mall gas station.
Okay.
Sayang, this is your another country in European Union in Europe, Sayang.
Wow. It's like in 5 hours I check in 2 countries.
Yeah.
Beep.
Sayang, but welcome to Hungary. It's first time I'm also visiting Slovakia and now Hungary. The border crossing was like, I nearly didn't realize we are already in Hungary actually. But we are in Hungary, another country on the list. So cool.
Okay, we are in Hungary, and this one is the toll road. Actually, at 5:58 p.m. and I didn't have a light in the toll road, no?
Why they should?
Yeah,
We still have a 226 kilometers to go to Budapest in 2 hours.
Tak. So we will stay in Budapest for a night.
For a night, yeah.
Yes.
And tomorrow morning we're gonna explore Budapest at least a little bit.
Right.
But it's nice actually. But the highway is so empty, yeah?
Yeah, I see that.
At least on this point. We just need to buy vignette in the mall gas station.
Alright. This is the night driving. Tak, hanya.
Night driving and the highway is closed. So we are going off of the highway somewhere. But only 2 hours drive, 190 kilometers.
Tak.
No problem. And we're gonna be in Budapest. Co to jest? Autohof.
Dear
Something
parking. Yeah, wait.
Nie wiem.
I don't know. It's just like, for me, the red light look like red light district.
And the name is Hell.
Tak. Aduh. Look, hell.
Like I said, it's the Hell name.
So to jest.
I don't know, but looks big.
Tak.
That's for sure. Without any doubts. It's red, big Hell.
Angel and hell.
Angel and Hell.
Energy drink.
Oh, yeah.
Angel petrol.
Interesting.
You see, hell.
Hell.
Energy drink.
Interesting.
Angel. Angel petrol.
That's very interesting.
Look, hell. Energy drink.
Factory of the Hell. Must be local energy drink in Hungary. I
Tak.
should try it.
No.
Yes.
Oh, so huge. Hell.
It's actually very big, no?
Tak. But it's like, you know, red light. And then the same location with the angel. Here we are.
Yeah, but I would like to try whatever it is. Energy drink Hell. Okay, I will try it. I will buy tomorrow, okay?
Yeah. Kohani, finally we arrive in
Budapest.
So we are going to a hotel.
That's the thing.
And here it is.
It's the big road. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, one way.
Right.
Interesting.
I'll show you the capital city of Hungary. That is, oh, this one is autobus station, bus station. And yeah, this is like a big city life.
It's big city life, and this is the ring, yeah. So this is like one of the few very main streets in Budapest.
Yes, that's the Tanitomai.
Tomorrow we're gonna go explore a little bit of the city. But today is the continuation of the road trip. Actually, from the Krakow to Budapest. That's actually impressive, isn't it? It's not that far. It's about 600 kilometers in total.
Yes.
Krakow to Budapest. It's very enjoyable drive.
That's the most important thing. We enjoy it so far.
Right.
Hey, look at this Tanitomai.
Oh, this is the old one, the classic one.
So cute. Oh.
They have a Lidl.
Yeah.
I think all the taxis in Budapest are yellow, like a New York taxis. This is Uber taxi, but similar chess thingy than Poznan, but all is yellow. And also they have a sign, either is Uber or either is the Bolt.
Tak. Just like
But
this.
all of them, they are yellow. Interesting.
Interesting, really. Yeah. Oh, that's the new Tanitomai, guys. I like to see. This is the night situation, right?
Yeah, and we are arriving to the hotel soon because we are staying at Ibis Budapest Stadium, so next to the stadium. So should be easy to get there.
Yeah. I'm just showing you how it is the traffic situation, especially in the big capital city.
Yeah, well, I need to find out how many million of people living in Budapest.
Maybe many.
It's a pretty big city though.
I don't know that if our viewers or followers is coming from Budapest. That's interesting to see. You see Budapest Nebligate.
It's also a difficult language.
Yeah.
Hungarian language is one of the most difficult, together with Polish, in the world.
Yeah, I think that's the bus station, no? Yeah.
I think this is the stadium,
Uh-huh.
and somewhere here is our hotel.
Okay.
So the road trip is almost finished.
Right.
I enter, where is it? The map is showing me here. Oh, this is the
This is
hotel.
the hotel.
And where is the parking?
We just arrived in the hotel and now it's time to check in the hotel. This one is the Ibis tribe. The man is checking in the hotel in the Budapest. Nice. I think this one is a brand new hotel. Interesting. So we stayed at a Ibis hotel. Nice, simple, a brand new, I can say clean hotel because this is a very brand new one. And oh, this is welcome. I think that welcome letter, no?
Yeah, welcome letter.
Ah, nice.
Nice gesture.
Nice gesture. And here it is. And I'll show you. Oops. Outside, they have a nice balcony. Ah, just like this. Okay, so we are going to the Sky Bar. Okay, so we just arrived in the Sky Bar. Actually, this is how it looks. So at night you can see how it is the traffic situation from the 9th floor. And again, only us here.
Cheers.
Cheers,
Welcome
kahani.
drink from the Accor second night. So I'm always happy for welcome drinks. I didn't have a radar, but it's okay. And this is the Sky Bar. So I'm gonna show you guys the view. And that was the road trip, actually quite long video, a little bit different, but I think it's very enjoyable. 3 different countries, right? Tomorrow we're gonna explore Budapest and then we're gonna go slowly through Bratislava and Vienna direction. So thanks so much for watching for today, and I hope so I see you tomorrow. See ya, take care, cheers.
Damian is chilling actually. Kohanye, you tired? And here is the place of chilling. Okay, I just drink beer little bit, but I feel like yeah, I'm not a beer lover, but just because of I want to try how it looks and how it tastes. And I show you a little bit the view of the Sky Bar. This is maybe in the afternoon will be nicer as well. Okay, it's just interesting.